Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 4. In this module, we're going to talk about numbers, times, and dates. So under the reading, there's a few different, the book pages plus some websites that talk about how to say the numbers, a different way to say the date, and about how to say the time, both the time right now and like a time that an appointment would be at. Under the listening, you're going to hear people say their phone numbers, and that's something that's similar to what's on the quiz. So make sure you listen and that you can understand those phone numbers because that's how it will be on the quiz. And there's also some videos with the numbers and times and dates. Then here we have something that says upcoming assignment pronunciation project 1. So next module 5, we have the pronunciation project where you will read a text and aim for clear pronunciation. So here is just an overview of the vowel and consonant sounds. So you can watch those videos and practice the vowel and consonant sounds. It's always important to aim for clear pronunciation, but especially for next module 5, when you're going to be doing that recording, that pronunciation recording. Okay, so then we have the homework packet. The speaking assignment has 2 parts. In the first part, you're going to answer the questions about yourself. And in the second part, you're going to ask questions to a patient and tell the patient their appointment time. So you do it all in one file, but just make sure that you have both parts, that you're first answering the questions about yourself and then asking the questions. And then we have the quiz like always. Let me know if you have any questions y nos vemos pronto.